Welcome to my channel. Today I come up with a very interesting topic, and so the topic is there are a couple of things which I want to discuss. So every trader or maybe the people who are not in the stock market also, they have some kind of questions like, is there a single candle pattern can really decide whether the market will really go up or not, right? So just see like until the end, you'll get to know whether a single candle can push the market down or up. Yeah, so you'll get to know the complete picture of it. So don't miss the video till the end. The second point which I want to cover here is again, this is also one of the question in many of the minds, like does the chart patterns will really shows the reversals in the stock market? Yeah, and or is it a kind of a trap, right? So let's see some example for these particular 2 points. Yeah, and we'll see like whether these 2 points are true or false. Yeah, let's get it into the chart, and I'm going to delete these two. So I'll show you a particular example, which is happened recently in Nifty 50. Yeah, and I just want to also mention like this video is only for education purpose. I'm not SEBI registered, and I'm not giving any kind of tips or any advisory. So it is just only for the training purpose. Yeah. Okay, so now you know that from this particular level the market is already fell down. Now we'll try to understand, is any particular candle is decided that, or any chart pattern decided that the market is about to fall from this particular level. Yes, so let's get it into the the study here. So I'll just build my view here. If you see, uh, Nifty is definitely is an uptrend, but after that it is just made some bearish piercing, and it's just going down little bit. Now, if you see weekly, right, after a nice uptrend, yeah, compared to this, it made some lower high still, and also it's currently going down, right? Yeah, and let's try to find out some supports and resistances which is near to our price. Okay, so that we'll come to know whether we need to go bearish or bullish, right? So if you see, the market has fallen down, somehow it took the support and went up, right? So if you clearly observe this particular candle, okay, this is such an important candle because the price has pushed from this particular level. So for me, this is an important support. This candle low is a very great support, right? So ideally, my observation is like in many of the back tests, what I came to know, like any candle, any such important candles, right? If the low is important, ultimately the high also very important for us, right? We'll just mark and see what exactly happened. Yeah. So if I just mark this high perfectly here, see how one, two, three times it is taking the resistance. After that breakout happened, but breakout did not sustain actually. Okay. So it just came down, and this particular candle has confirmed me it is a resistance because it went all the way up but did not sustain and closed. So this is how candles will tell us like whether it is a resistance or a support. For me, this is a great resistance and this is a great support. Okay, so now we got our supports and resistances, right? And currently the price is going down and it is at a resistance, correct? So if it is at a support, ideally, we can be bullish, yeah. But it is at a resistance, right? We have to really careful as a bull and see if any bearish opportunities will come, right? So let's go and check in, hourly time frame, and I just want to show you maybe in 15 minutes time frame, uh, just to see a candle or a chart pattern will show something. Yeah. Yeah, even in hourly also you can check, no problem. Yeah. Now you see what happened. This resistance which we have drawn from weekly, right? It's a great resistance. for the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah. And see, anything can happen. The market can go really up, or it can, reverse from this particular level. Okay. Ultimately, the price action has to conform to us, right? And yeah, before going to that, let's try to find out the nearby supports and resistances based upon, your hourly time frame, or you can also draw from daily as well. Okay. So for an example, there is a big gap up, right? So now you can also say this entire gap can act like a great support, right? And in fact, the candle which is done a gap up, that candle high and lows are pretty much important. We'll just mark and leave it, right? High and lows are very important. Okay, just mark this as a superb resistance, this as a superb support. That's how we should consider, right? So let's see what happened. Yeah. So now this gap, I'll just keep it as a support. Yeah, something like this. We can keep it. Huh. So now let's see what happened. Okay. See, on the first 15 minutes on 21st August 2025, so directly it is just gapped up on the major resistance, correct? And then they push the price below. So which means it's a counter attack from the base at the major resistance. Okay, which means this particular candle is clearly indicating that I want to go down, because this is appeared at a major resistance, right? And it is really want to go down. That is what it is indicating, right? So I hope you got the perfect answer for the first question. And let's see. Yeah, let's see if I get some more examples here. We'll just find out. Yeah. So let's see what happened after that. Yeah. So one more thing, whenever such kind of candles comes, ideally you can mark high and lows, because that is also very important candle, because this is the candle which is indicating I want to go down, right? Okay. So high is a super resistance, low is a super support. Okay. So let's see what happened after that. Okay. So if you clearly observe, okay, high is a super resistance and low is a super support, right? So at the same resistance level, okay, so it touched one time, correct? And then the market fell down, right? And then, yeah, can you see this? At this particular resistance, there is one time the market has tapped, and then second time, right? So there is a clear cut double top, reversal pattern here, chart pattern, which is also indicating that, so it is really want to go down, right? So one is a single candle pattern also confirming us, even the chart pattern also confirming that, the market is really down, right? So let's see after that what happened. So after that, there is a big fall, right? Yes. So it made some lower high, and after that again the fall happened, right? So if you see, for both the questions, right, we have a answers, and which exactly indicating that it is really want to go down. Okay. So yeah, so we have to believe this. Yeah, the charts will definitely show us all the indications. Either it has to go up or go down, and sometimes it show with a single candlestick pattern, or sometimes it will show with some chart patterns. The only thing is how exactly you look at that chart is very very important, and where is this particular chart patterns or a single candlestick pattern is coming is very very important. Now since these are appeared at a superb resistance, right, these are very significant patterns. Okay, that's why the fall happened, very significantly on the downside. So it's almost like how many points from this point to this point. So nearly some 540 points has been dropped, right? Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and this might definitely help you for the mini traders. Yeah. So if you really like it, you can just subscribe my channel, and also you can like my videos. So you can comment it, you can share these videos to your friends as well.